So, part 2 of opening this Kinder Joy egg. So, I got this, just half of it, and I got toy car for the other half.
What'd you get?
So I'm gonna try to. I got a toy car and this.
I got this Lego. Got some dolls.
I got a toy car I had to put together.
See, Haley? What is it? It's a toy lizard. Do you want that one?
I kind of like this. And so I really like this. What did Mikey get?
You got the same one. I don't want that.
Wait, how do you put this together?
I want the car.
I kind of don't want to trade this. So I'm trying to figure out how to put this last piece on. I have this part pieces on now. Okay, I just gotta put the last one. Just this, which I don't know how it goes. How do you put this on? I have no idea how to put this on. Okay. Matthew, you want to help me put this together? Because I can't figure this out.
Just like you did my Corona?
Just tell me where it goes. Don't put it in.
Wait, what are the instructions?
I'm expecting.
Okay, they're in the living room on the couch.
Like to be able to drink tomorrow.
Why?
I'm like really confused on this right now.
What?
Just put it like this. I'm pretty sure that's not the right way. I think this is the right way.
Yeah.
You hungry?
Mom, do you like
Apparently it goes like this, so it might be hard to do, but just see. But this is how it's supposed to go. You can pause it to look if you want one of these. And I'm going to eat now, but I'm trying to figure out what the sticker goes. Okay. The sticker goes. So, bye-bye.